some more free wood. Guess I forgot to hit play. All right. Well, now that we're all done, let's clean this mess up, see what we got to work with. So what we've got so far is we've made, what you've watched us make is, these are ghost Halloween decorations, right? So we got 3 little ghosts. We'll do the face in there. My wife will paint them up nice and pretty, and then you'll have a sign there of your choice. All right. Now we've got different size pumpkins. You saw us trace these out on the pieces of pallet, and then we cut them. We've glued them and nailed them using some scrap pieces on the back side. And is what we're going to do with these is we're going to mount them on a 2x4 using pocket hole screws that we've already got on there. So these could be living room decorations, dining room decorations, porch decorations. You don't have to mount these if you don't want to. You could probably just hang them on a wall, lean them on a shelf or something like that. That's what we're going to do with them. All right. Other thing that we've got going so far that you've seen us make is this is going to be a standalone ghost. All right, just a little mouth and some eyes. Wife's going to paint that. Again, we use scrap pieces to glue and nail. And that's what we've got going on so far.